Are Creatine Gummies really the sweet secret to unlocking gains, or is traditional Creatine Powder still the king of muscle-building supplements? First, let's break down Creatine Powder. It's usually creatine monohydrate, the most studied and proven form of creatine. Mix 1 scoop, typically 5 grams, with water or your favorite beverage. Now, enter Creatine Gummies. These offer a pre-measured dose of creatine in a chewable, flavored form. Usually, you will need to take multiple gummies to reach a 5-gram dose. In terms of effectiveness, creatine monohydrate powder has decades of research backing its ability to increase muscle strength, power, and size, while Creatine Gummies also deliver creatine. The absorption rate may vary depending on the gummy's ingredients and your individual digestion. There is not as much research on the effectiveness of Creatine Gummies as compared to Creatine Powder. Convenience is where gummies shine. No mixing or measuring required, just pop a few in your mouth, making them ideal for on-the-go consumption. Cost is another factor. Creatine Powder is generally much more affordable per serving than Creatine Gummies. The verdict: if you prioritize convenience and don't mind the higher cost, Creatine Gummies are a viable option. However, for optimal results backed by extensive research and at a lower price point, traditional Creatine Powder still holds the crown. Whether you choose powder or gummies, consistency is key for experiencing the benefits of creatine.